In Panama City, Panama, we designed a 10,000 lot or unit master plan community in mountainous terrain, and we're able to keep most of the grades and honor them. This is one phase initially planned in one of the steeper areas where we use the terrain and we created kind of a ledge between two shelves along the hillsides. And as you can see, the two ledges, maximum slope allowed, has a main trail that goes between those two ledges. But you can imagine the views out of these homes over the mountainous terrain that's in the area. So the idea was to, again, as we do in almost every steep slope site, not only design the neighborhood from a 2D perspective, but also balance the earthwork, keep the grading within the local regulatory minimums or standards, which this does comply, and if possible, eliminate retaining walls and expensive alternatives while we're dealing with very, very steep terrain, and also then create something that is different and something that has character. And there's two housing types you could see here, two very different housing types that we used, and that was at the direction of our client. Again, we're looking at taking and maximizing the views, the value, minimizing any kind of monotony, and using new geometric modeling to gain efficiencies and design a neighborhood that is far more efficient and attractive than an alternate grid design. So this gives you a good example of how we work in foreign nations, in metric systems, and in steep terrain, showing you what we can do to add the value beyond a typical engineered design.